This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Engine oil and filter renewal. Pull the bonnet release handle located in the driver's footwell. Raise the bonnet slightly, lift the safety catch and raise the bonnet. It is supported by gas struts. Access to the underside of the vehicle will be greatly improved if it can be raised on a lift, driven onto ramps, or jacked up and supported on axle stands. Whichever method is chosen, make sure that the vehicle remains level, or if it is at an angle, that the drain plug is at the lowest point. Raise the front of the vehicle until the tyre is clear of the ground. Place the axle stand or stands in position and lower the jack. Remove the jack from under the vehicle. Locate the jack head under the lower arm, then raise the vehicle until the tyre is clear of the ground. Place axle stands in the correct position. Lower the vehicle onto the axle stands, then remove the jack. Position the draining container under the drain plug. Slacken the sump drain plug about half a turn, then remove the plug completely, allowing the oil to drain into the container. After all the oil has drained, wipe off the drain plug with a clean rag and fit a new sealing washer. Clean the area around the drain plug opening and refit the plug. Tighten the plug to the specified torque. Jack up the vehicle and remove the axle stands. The vehicle can now be lowered to the ground. Raise the vehicle and remove the axle stands. The vehicle can now be lowered to the ground. Remove the jack. Fully unscrew the cap from the top of the oil filter and remove it together with the filter element. On 2.5 litre engines, it will be necessary to use a long socket extension bar, preferably with a universal joint, to reach the filter cap. If it hasn't become separated yet, unclip the filter element from the cap and dispose of it. Remove the O-ring from the filter cap and locate the new one in the groove in the cap. Lubricate the seal with clean engine oil, then install the new filter element. Lubricate the element stalk O-rings as well. Maneuver the filter and cap back into position, locate the tool onto the cap and tighten it to the specified torque. Remove the engine oil filler cap, insert a funnel and slowly fill with the correct grade and quantity of oil. Pour in half the specified quantity of oil first, then wait a few minutes for the oil to run to the sump. Continue adding oil, a small quantity at a time. Pull out the engine oil dipstick, wipe it clean, fully insert it, then withdraw it again. Check the oil level and, if necessary, add more oil to bring the level up to maximum mark on the dipstick. Refit the engine oil filler cap and dipstick. Refit the engine cover and secure it with the fasteners. Lower the bonnet and close it securely.